Hello everyone. In today's video, I want to show you a unique method of solving simultaneous equation. Now, let's see how it goes. Let's say, solve the following pair of simultaneous equation. You see the first one? So we have 3x plus 2y equals to 7, then 7x minus 3y equals to 1. Let's see how it goes. We have 3x plus 2y is equals to 7. Then we have 7x minus 3y is equals to 1. Okay, look at what you have to do in these methods. Okay, you're going to put something like this for me. Okay, yeah. So that is the first thing you have to do. You can see the way I wrote the whole equation, very broad, to give me chance vacant to put that structure. Okay, now, the meaning of this is that you're going to multiply, you're going to create two fractions. You're going to get two fractions from this expression now. The first fraction, you are getting it from this. Then the second fraction, you are getting it from this. Okay, so you're going to bring out two fractions from here. Okay, the first one from here, and the second one from here. Okay, let's go. The first fraction, you're going to multiply this. This arrow implies that you are multiplying this with this one. Okay, 3 times 7, you're having 21. That is minus 21. Minus 3 times 7, that is 21. Okay, then all over the same minus 3 times 3, you're having minus 9. Okay, you see, this is the first fraction. This multiplied by this give you this. This multiplied by this will give you this. Okay, then and the second fraction, you are getting it from here. This multiply this 2 times 1, and that is 2 all over 2 times 7, and that is 14. You get now, that is our second fraction. So we have the first fraction and the second fraction. So remember, we got this first fraction by multiplying this with this. That is minus 21. Then this with this. That is the meaning of this arrow. This multiply this one, multiply this. You understand? Okay. Then the second fraction, we got it from here. That is 2 times 1. That is the meaning of this arrow. 2 times 1, then 2 times 7. So that is all you will do to get the two fractions. When you are done getting these two fractions, you are done. Okay. So the last thing you're going to do is to subtract the two fractions. Numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Okay, so therefore, minus 21 minus 2. Minus 21 minus 2 is equal to what? Is minus 23, right? Okay, all over minus 9 minus 14. Minus 9 minus 14, 23, right? Yeah. Minus 23. So you see now, so this equals to what? So this implies that your x, the x value is equals to 1. That is, minus we cancel minus 23 divided by 23 is 1, right? So that is your x. Why is it x? The value you are getting after doing all these things must be the variable that comes first. Okay, this is x here. That is why we are having that the value we got at the end of the whole thing is our x. If you arrange it in such a way that your y comes first, then the value you will have at the end will be your y value. You understand? So that is how the thing works. Okay, then how are we going to get our y? Okay, now to solve for the value of y, there are two methods you can apply. Okay, it's either by substitution or you apply these same methods. Okay, so let's check the two methods. Now, to get the value of y, you have to rearrange this equation such that your y value will come first. Okay, just like this. You see, the x value is taking the first position here as the first term, while the y value is taking the second position. So for you to find the value of y has to come first. Okay, so you have to rearrange it such that y will come first. Okay, let's do that. In the first equation, we are having that 2y then plus 3x equals to 7. Okay, we are just switching their position, very simple. Then the second equation, carry this to this place and this one here. So we are having minus 3y then plus 7x equals to 1. Okay, now you are done arranging it, but there is something here. You have to get rid of this negative sign, because when an expression is starting with a negative sign, it's not proper. So you have to get rid of this by multiplying through this expression with -1. Okay, so or you just change all the sign here. Okay, so the first, let me rewrite the two equations we have. The first one is 2y plus 3x equals to 7. Okay, then the second one, we want to get rid of this thing, just multiply through by negative. Multiplying an expression by -1 is just changing the sign in front of each term. So we are having 3y, that is the result, then minus 7 equals to -1. So what I did is that I multiplied through by -1. Okay, so this is my equation 1 now, equation 2. So I'm done. Then you can go ahead, use these methods here, and you will get your answer. Okay, so let's go. So I'm not drawing this pattern again. You already understand what I want to do now. So let me go ahead and do what you know. Okay, so this times this, -7 times this. Okay, let me put that structure so that it will still be flowing. So this will multiply this. You get -7 times 7 will give you -49. So this is our y value. Okay, sorry. So let's get our first fraction and the second fraction, right? So minus this times this, we are having -49 all over this times this, that is 7 times 2, we're having -14. -7 times 2, -14. This is the first fraction. Then, and the second fraction, we are having this, we multiply this, 3 times -1, we are having -3 all over 3 times 3, we're having 9. Okay, so that is it. Then go ahead and do what you know. This minus this, that is numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So we are having -49 minus 3, -49 minus -3. Are you with me? -49 minus -3. Let's do somewhere. -49 minus -3. This will give you plus now, because minus will change to plus. Then you are having -49 plus 3, which will give you -46. Okay, so if you subtract the numerator, you are having that y will give you -46 all over denominator to denominator. We are having -14 minus 9. Mind you, there is no negative here, so you are not saying minus, you get. So -14 minus 9, -14 minus 9 will give you -23, right? Yeah, so you're having -23, okay? -14 minus 9 will give you -20. So therefore, y now is equals to, negative, we go against negative, then we cancel, okay? To go, then 46 divided by 23, is it not 2? So that's your answer, man. Yeah, I solved this in more than say 5 minutes, but once you master these methods, just master it. I'm doing this because I'm trying to make you understand it. But once you master this, you can look at a simultaneous equation and solve it without touching your paper. Yeah, just practice more questions using these methods. Then you are good to go. Thank you. If you love this kind of content, short way to do it, and fast methods to apply when it comes to your calculation, physics, chemistry, mathematics, hit the subscribe button and you get plenty of this. Thank you.